On July 17, 1996, World Airlines Flight 800, a Boeing 747-passenger jet, departed New York's JFK Airport bound for Paris, about 12 minutes after takeoff, while climbing through 13,700 feet. A catastrophic explosion tore through the aircraft. The airplane suffered a massive in-flight structural breakup and crashed into the Atlantic Ocean near East Moriches, New York, tragically killing all 230 people on board. In this video, we are going to walk you through the technical autopsy of this disaster. We will move past the initial speculation of a missile strike to show you exactly how investigators uncovered the forensic truth of what actually brought the aircraft down. A single spark can reshape the entire world of aviation, but only if we can prove exactly where it started. By scrutinizing the microscopic metal fatigue and reconstructed 3D remains, we reveal the undeniable forensic truth of TWA Flight 800. This is the technical breakdown of how a disaster truly unfolds to map this microscopic crime scene and rule out external ordnance. Investigators meticulously examine the fractured remains for evidence of high-velocity impacts. High-energy explosives, like bomb or missile warheads, leave unique forensic signatures such as extreme metal deformation, melting, and splashback around the entry holes. However, a detailed metallurgical examination of the airplane's structure revealed a complete absence of high-velocity fragment penetrations. Experts found absolutely no evidence of localized pitting, cratering, gas washing, or pataling, while trace amounts of explosive residue were discovered on the wreckage. The lack of corroborating high-energy fragmentation damage decisively ruled out a bomb or missile strike. Instead of relying on conspiracy, investigators utilized advanced 3D laser scanning and photogrammetry to document the reconstructed fuselage and scrutinize the true cause of the disaster. Through this detailed forensic physics and structural analysis, they tracked how the thermal and pressure expansion destroyed the center wing fuel tank CWT. The evidence showed that a massive overpressure event caused the tank's spanwise beam 3 to fracture and violently rotate forward, as it slammed into the aft side of the front spar. The immense pressure escaping the fuel tank forced the front spar to buckle and bulge forward into two distinct lobes before the fuselage ultimately separated. Finally, the specific soot patterns and thermal signatures found on the wreckage contrasted sharply with the effects of high-velocity ordnance, pointing instead to a lower-velocity mechanical fuel-air explosion. Forensic mapping of the soot deposits revealed distinct upward flow patterns on components near the CWT, while other pieces showed moderate to heavy sooting consistent with being subjected to a severe fuel-fed fire after the initial structural failure. This technical autopsy proves that the tragic disaster of TWA Flight 800 was not the result of a weapon, but an internal fuel-air explosion most likely ignited by a short circuit that sent excess voltage into the fuel quantity indication system.